How to run a cast iron skillet. Well, recently I just made a video about making cast iron fajitas in my skillet, and I did two things that you're normally not supposed to do. Number one, I cooked tomatoes in my cast iron skillet. And everybody says don't cook tomatoes or acidic food in your cast iron skillet. So have I run my cast iron? Well, how about this? If I go to clean the thing, what if I put some Dawn dishwashing liquid in here? Huh? I mean, let's just take a look at this. I have several comments here lately that we don't need to put soap in a cast iron skillet because it will run it. Well, you know, let's just take a look at this and see. Take a rag, wash it out, rinse it out real good, and as you can see, I have run my cast iron skillet. I didn't get it very clean there, but let's rinse that out a little better. Let's take a towel and dry that. And as you can see, I have ruined my cast iron skillet by cooking tomatoes and using Dawn dishwashing liquid in it. So anyway, hope you find this helpful. Let me know what you do down in the comments. Do you use Dawn dishwashing liquid to clean yours? Do you cook tomatoes and acidic food in your cast iron skillet? Will it run it? Let us know. Thank you for watching. It's Mr. and Mrs. Cast Iron. We'll see you. Bye-bye.